I'm Lili,
I'm Savannah.
and we are Ellis Design Studio. We're based in San Diego, California. Something that people might not know about us is that although we're based in San Diego, we take on projects nationwide. We currently have projects in Maui, Georgia, Portland, all over. Another fun fact, I guess, is that we started in the middle of a pandemic, which is something unique, but it's going great. Sav, what is your favorite type of room to design?
My favorite room would be the kitchen. I feel like there are so many opportunities to make a space functional and beautiful. And I definitely feel like you can mix and match styles in there, and that is my favorite. What about you?
I would say my favorite is a family room because that's kind of the center of entertainment, and you get a really great opportunity to use a lot of textures, different materials, and really play on people's lifestyle. What is your go-to drink at the bar?
Gin and tonic.
Agreed.
Okay. We agree on something.
Oh, to find out more, you can find us on Instagram. We are ls.design_studio.